In a new research study, NetLine evaluated the millions of downloads across the NetLine network in 2017. We've assembled and analyzed the data to deliver an action-packed 2018 State of B2B Content Consumption and Demand Report for marketers. Categorically developed to answer the top-line concerns of B2B marketers, our analysis of in-demand and active audience consumption behaviors are broken into 4 priority areas for optimizing a B2B content strategy. By the People dives into job-level consumption data, pulling through tactics to capitalize on how various levels interact with content. Seeing beyond the C-level to managers and the most active audience, individual contributors, gives marketers a competitive advantage to optimize targeting. Words at Work highlights words from the top content titles downloaded by real users in 2017, illustrating content popularity and thematic trends. The By the Company analysis dissects in-demand and active audiences within companies of varying revenue, employee size, and geography. Combined with job-level insights, marketers can see farther into an org chart and uncover real influencers and decision-makers. By the Industry presents data on which industries are relying on content more than others and provides a breakdown of consumption gap trends. Lastly, the report takes a data-based approach to qualitative insights on user traits. With this information, marketers can humanize content and connect with users in a more meaningful and memorable way. To download your free copy of NetLine's 2018 State of B2B Content Consumption and Demand Report, visit the resources page on netline.com.